Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. Welcome to this video session for today, for our tutorial of today. Today we shall be learning how to deposit money and trade our first crypto in Remitano. To do this, once you've made your registration, you install the app, open the app, and then
Once the app is open, you simply click deposit, which is this. You choose whether you want to deposit Naira or crypto. So I want to deposit Naira, so I'll click this. And then I will type the amount I want to deposit. So I want to deposit 35,000 Naira. So I'll click continue. Then I'll choose the method of payment. So I'll be using PalmPay. Then I'll click continue. Then I'll click confirm. So it will load and bring out the payment information. So you see, instead of 35,000, I'll be paying 35,050 Naira. Okay, additional 50 Naira. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure that I copy the account number and ensure that the account number is the same. It brings out the account holder, the name. Then there's what is called the narration. So first thing is to come here, click the account number. I'll go to my PalmPay. Open my PalmPay, and then I'll click to bank. So I'm going to paste the account number. So Kuda, touch it. If it doesn't bring out the name, you search for it. So we are going to click next and click confirm. So I'm going to click 35,050 Naira. Now I'm going to go back to my app. Then I'm going to click the copy the narration, and this narration must come with your name, must have your name. Make sure your name. So paste it. Then you're going to click next, confirm to pay. And that is complete. Now you're going to see share receipt, touch share receipt, and then take a screenshot of this receipt. Once you've taken a screenshot of your receipt, go back to your Remitano and click I have paid. Now there will be an option to submit your proof of payment. So touch this arrow, that thing that looks like arrow, the box with an arrow facing up, then upload your receipt. Wait and allow it to load 100%. So now that it's loaded 100%, click submit. Well, while that is going on, you can leave this page and you can close it. You can always come back to it by clicking this blue icon showing one, meaning that there is one transaction ongoing. To always bring you back to it. Okay, now it shows completed. So let us go home, and then you can see 35,000 Naira added. So this is how you deposit money. After you deposit the money, we are going to swap or buy a token. So I want to swap to BNB. I'll touch swap. So let me swap maximum and see. So it's going to give me this. So I'm going to preview order. I'm going to confirm. Okay, your swap order is being processed. Completed. So back to wallet. You can see now.
We have 0.04 BNB. So in our next video, we are going to learn how to continue with our Web3 wallet, transfer our token from here to our Web3 wallet, and then add tokens with contract address into our Web3 wallet and exchange our BNB for whatever token we want to buy. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please, if you have found value in this video, give us a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Till we come your way again next time, we remain yours faithfully.